Well, we're out here doing our walk, but the rain is coming down. There's just this little gap in the rain here. God, there's so much plastic on this beach. It's crazy. It's crazy. But the rain is bad today. You can see the clouds are low all around. I don't want to kill my phone. All this debris too. I'm keeping my camera close to my body so that it doesn't get too rained on, but it's still getting rained on a little bit. As soon as the rain picks up again, I'm going to turn it off and put it back in my pocket. There's this little lull at the moment. So there's another brave soul out there walking her dog. Oh, it's wet out here today. Oh, and it's not getting any better. Oh man, all that blue sky that was over there is gone. Okay, we're gonna head home because my dog is wet and my feet are swashing. They're so wet. Oh, come on this way. All right.